mad windy. Going crazy out here, but picking up our new bike. This is us right here. Yeah. Make sure everything works before I jump on it. Get another key. That's what it is. FZ6. Got a few mods for you guys. Starting with the. Alright guys, did some mods to the FZ6R. We did some smoked flush mounts for turn signals. They work pretty good. Like those, definitely. Did the Shogun's frame sliders. The Shogun frame sliders are actually the like, you don't have to drill into the bike, so they're just the bolt-on ones. They're kind of pain in the ass though. Yeah, the front looked like those rear lights right there. Ordered some new signal lights all around for that, or just for the back. Actually, we already put the flush mounts in the front. It's a FZ6R 600. We got it at the dealership right there on Berkshire. Not bad. Runs pretty good. Really good actually. Just been looking up mufflers for it, and the muffler is actually hard to find. They only make a couple. Alright, as you can see, all the turn signals are working. I don't like these mirrors. These mirrors, I don't know, what do you guys think? They kind of look like big old bat ears. But you know, I kind of like them, but I kind of don't. You know what I mean? I got wide shoulders, so they kind of help. But I kind of think we should go with some smaller head mirrors. I don't know, maybe some carbon fiber ones or something. I don't know. I don't know. Haven't been looking those up yet, but we'll keep you updated. Um, what else did we change here? That's a custom plate that was off Amazon. I just put that on there for now for this video. The short shifters. That's short levers, short shifters, something like that. We got those from Amazon too. I forget what those cost, but they make the bike look pretty good. I think so. What do you guys think? You know, pretty much. I really do like this bike. Well, I'll let you hear a little bit of it, but the adjustable shorty levers, those shorty levers actually adjust. They get pretty open, they get pretty close. You know, I like that setting. But yeah, it's a little loose there, but overall nice bike. Like it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, do subscribe, like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys really think. What mods should I do next? See you guys later. Take it easy. Hex World.